Dermapen is not a fad, it's a scientific thing. It's also called as advanced microneedling, and it's one of my favorite procedures. It's a very safe procedure. It consists of a pen. It's in the form of a pen and has multiple needles in the front. These are used on the skin, and these needles basically go to a particular depth in the skin, which is called as dermis. And at this level, it goes and stimulates the collagen. It induces inflammation, and it helps in rejuvenation of the skin from within. Dermapen is an office-based procedures. Our patients walk in and walk out, and nobody can even realize that they've gone through such a treatment. It basically consists of using the Dermapen in a rotatory manner all over the face with multiple passes. Patients ask me if it is painful. Not really. It's they may just feel a little bit of tingling on their skin. After the Dermapen is used, we also apply these dermaceuticals on the skin, which is based on the type of skin you have. So if you have a pigmentation or if you have acne, so according to your kind of skin, we apply these dermaceuticals, and these dermaceuticals penetrate much better in your skin because the needles that we've used on your skin, it opens up the pores. After that, we apply a soothing mask on your skin, and this is the way the procedure is done. It can cause a little bit of mild redness on your skin, but other than that, usually patients just walk in and walk out of the clinic, and it's a very quick procedure. Dermapen is one of the very, very safe procedures that we've been doing. If we compare it to ablative lasers or deeper chemical peels in our kind of skin type, which is our darker skin type that we have, there can be side effects with lasers like post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. But Dermapen, in comparison to most of these procedures, it's a very, very safe procedure, and if done by an experienced hand, can give you very good results as well as a lot of side. Dermapen is basically repeated every monthly. We do these sessions every monthly, but the number of sessions you would require would depend on the indication that we are treating you for. Generally speaking, we require around 4 to 5 sessions for most of our patients, especially patients with acne scar. We've seen that they start seeing results by the second and third session, and depending on how deep their scars are, we can go for 4 to 5 sessions, and this usually gives them very good results.